Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
I went in, y'all, and did some more plucking to the front. I feel like it's to my liking now. Cause before I did the plucking, I wasn't sure if I liked this wig, y'all. I was like, I don't know. I'm not really jacking it, so I had to go in and do more plucking so it looks more natural. But I'm gonna be wearing it like this most of the time. Like, I like this flip over look without the part. Just a flip over. And one thing behind the ear. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this here. I just recently I just recently washed my hair, so I'm not like doing anything to my hair underneath. The comb got stuck into my hair, and if you see that it's white, it's because that's the water. But like I said, I won't be doing anything to my hair. I don't have a cap. I'm so upset I don't have a cap to protect my hair, but oh well. Y'all see, it's been 2 weeks already, y'all, and look how my braids are like all like new growth. All right there, that's all new growth, y'all. But this is what I do. If you guys have me on Snapchat or anything, y'all gonna see how much my hair grew. But it's still a surprise for some of y'all who don't have me on Snapchat. But this is what I do in between my my installs. I basically take Jamaican castor oil and put it all down my roots. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is key. This is key. And I don't wash my hair often, like I told you guys. I wash it whenever I feel like washing it, honestly. Cause ain't nobody gonna see it. Y'all, I'm so upset I don't have a cap. And I literally just came from the freaking beauty supply store with my brother. I wonder if I put black. If I put black and then put makeup on it, how would it look? I don't know. How would that look? Is that smart or dumb? I made the wig real tight. I used the adjustables. I probably won't even use glue, but I want to. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this back lace. I almost forgot to cut off this back lace. So I'm going to go ahead and make it a little... Oh, it's to the tightest. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on my head. Put it on my head, position it to where I want to be. I don't want it too far on my hairline, but like just a little bit before my hairline. But this is like on my hairline. This is why I wish I had a cap, y'all. I'm so upset. I don't have a cap. And I don't want to put that glue on my forehead. So, on my hairline. So I might just bring it down a little more. How does that look right there? I don't think that's too low. So I'm going to go ahead and push that back. Y'all, I'm nervous. I never did this without a cap. Like, this glue is about to be close to my hairline. I already took off the old glue that I had. I used alcohol. You guys know that method. I told you guys about that method. So let's go ahead and get this on and popping. I'm putting it to where I want it to lay. Like, I don't really... Yo, what is good? Oh, y'all embarrassing me like this. I like this trick watching other people who do frontals. Like, I guess you put it along the person's hairline. Y'all know before I used to just go a straight line. Now I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out with my, my makeup brush that I usually use. I hope, pray to God, like this joint don't take out my edges, because I need edges for the New Year's. It's like, I'm not doing it nowhere near my edges. If you guys can see, my edges are back here. So hopefully I'm good. Good thing I have somewhat of a big forehead, so, you know, it kind of still looks natural. But, whew. Okay, now let's go in for the second layer. I always do like 2 to 3 layers. So, that red hair had to go, so I had to bring out something new. I was getting tired of the red hair. And red do fade really quick. I heard somebody else say that, and I found it to be true. Red fades really quick. Like, I was so confused. I was like, what happened to the color? And I'm going to try this method where they cut the lace while it's on your head. So hopefully I got that down pat and not cut, like, too much. I feel like this is my red hair already. Like, yo, y'all. This hair is so soft, I'm not even playing. Like, I'm in love with this hair. And it was just soaking wet for me, for me having it wet to pluck it. But look how it dried. I love the way it dried. Like, I feel like this is about to look mad natural. Okay, let's wait for the second layer to dry. I need a new wig head. Guys, I need a new wig head. You see how messed up mine is? But I feel like all this shows the hard work that I put in it. You feel me? Alright. Time to go in with the last layer, y'all. Last layer. I have a surprise. My next install, if my package come in time, my next install is me doing something. So the method I saw, like I said, like they just, I don't know, I never really saw like how they go about it, but I just know like they're cutting the lace off while it's already glued down. So I hope this works out for me. I honestly do. Alright, so the hair is dry. The glue is dry. And I'm gonna bring this down. I'm just gonna lay it like that, I guess. That's what they do. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what I just did. I feel like it's staying though. I feel like it's staying low key. And I'm just gonna hold it and pull it. Ah, my ears are so sensitive with this piercing. Gotta cut that extra lace off though. So I'm just pulling it. And I'm just gonna like dab it in with my hands. I really hope this worked. Like, it's not even funny. I really hope this worked. It did, y'all. The hair stayed. I mean, the lace stayed. Okay. I'm going to do this on a client, though. I'm going to do this on one of my clients. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this hair back. Oop, I just found another hairstyle to do. I'm going to put this hair away while I cut off my lace. I think we got something. This is really scary because I don't know where I'm cutting. So yeah, I need my mirror because I feel like I just cut too much. Okay, I seriously like don't know what I'm doing. How does that look? My camera's mad white. What happened? No. How does this look?
You?
No, I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, I shouldn't have.
So you see how I have a lot of extra hair right here? I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. But I'm going to come back to that because I'm kind of nervous.
Okay.
I feel like I did good though, y'all. I feel like this came out good. Can't even see nothing. Why is it like that?
Oh, I know why.
And I'm going to go ahead and part that. I'm going to cut that. That's around my ear. I'm going to cut all that extra lace off. All that is around my ear. And I don't need all this extra lace, clearly. So I'm going to put that up. And as I'm cutting down.
Hello? Yeah, me and Ari, I gotta go get me a coat. I don't know, cause Ari, I'm doing the YouTube video.
Just like that. Yo, y'all, that is perfect. That is perfect, y'all. And then
You don't feel well.
Then just keep cutting. What happened? Boom. Cut perfectly around my ear, y'all. Yo, that is perfect. I'm proud of myself. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Hold it down. Alright, so now it's time to cut over here. This side is going to be hard because I can never do this side, y'all. I can never do this side. That's why y'all see I'm cutting it up into pieces and doing it. This side is just hard to me. So let me go ahead and put this up because I can't see. Y'all, this hair, yo. Y'all can't tell me this is bodied already, y'all. Why do I look like that on camera? Y'all can't tell me this is bodied. Mind you, I didn't even bleach it. Like, I didn't even bleach the lace. Like, I just opened it up and put it on, bro. Sorry, I had to be real quiet, y'all. Over here, it's so hard for me. Let's see if I can just get this part around my ear. Okay, let me cut this extra lace right here. Okay, y'all. No cutting yet. Less than that. Oh, yeah, I'm happy. Oh my god, this video is 20 minutes. Y'all, do y'all see this Insta? Hold on. Thumbnail. Stop playing with me. Stop. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so happy. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta go to Snapchat real quick. I gotta go to Snapchat. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all see this lace? Hold on. Where's that though? Where's that though? Where's that though? Y'all, your girl is getting better. Stop playing with me. It's like, oh, book me. You dig? Okay, now it's time to style it. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be wearing it like this. I want the over method. So I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair. Go ahead and wet the hair up. Make sure it's nice and wet so it can lay good. I'm going to do my edges, of course, but I'm not going to do too much edges. Then I'll go ahead and brush that through. Make sure everything is wet, like I said. Yeah, I love this hair. I really love this hair. Y'all don't understand. Y'all do not understand. Y'all do not understand. Y'all do not understand. Ooh. 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 Yeah, I swear, I'm just only getting better, y'all. I'm only getting better. It's only right. Okay, with the curls, I'm not going to really add nothing into the curls because I don't want nothing in it. But this is going to be the look. I'm going to go ahead and do some baby hairs, of course, to give it a more natural look. It was a middle part originally, but I don't want it as a middle part. I want it more as a side.
That shit looks good in your head.
Thank you, bro.
You gonna keep it in?
Yeah, I gotta do some baby hairs. I'm not using no bow hold. I'm gonna go ahead and with my edge wax, Murray's. This is what I have. And I'm
you thought that was no?
No, I had the other one too. And I'm gonna do like slight baby hairs. I don't want nothing too extra.
So that's the new hair you finna start wearing?
Yep.
Today?
Yeah, it's in my hair.
Oh, you glued it in?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, so that means you can't take that shit out.
Right, alright. That edge wax is not gonna work. It's not really working. I don't know what else to use, y'all. Then again, I'm fine with this look right here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of baby hairs. Not too much. Not too much. Y'all know I like the natural look. Y'all know I like the natural look. But I'm going in, add some over here. I'm not cutting them either. I just want them to, I want them to stay long. So, boom, bang. Boom, boom, bang, y'all. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And y'all know what it is. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch I drown. All of my blood for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do cold. Broke broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Ooh, telling you broke is no joke. Ooh, I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.